Hey guys, welcome back. I brought to you another mind-blowing recipe to try. It is super delicious, healthy, and easy to make. A very good idea for your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So guys, all I need you to do is to continue watching while I put you through and how to make it. It doesn't take much time. Under 5 minutes, you are done. Now, let's dive in. In a clean dry pan, go in with your olive oil or your vegetable oil, whichever one you have. Next is your protein. We are making use of chicken breast. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? All right. Pour it in and season with some salt and a little bit of seasoning. Half teaspoon of seasoning or a cube of it, just like I did. Okay. Now go in with your garlic powder and ginger powder. Half teaspoon of each is fine. Next ingredient is our paprika powder. So we use a full teaspoon of it just to enhance the color. And you can reduce it by using just half teaspoon of it, okay? Another thing, if the protein you're using, like the chicken you're using or the beef you're using is bigger than this one that I'm using, like is much, make sure you increase the ingredients, okay? Just to balance it. Once you've added everything, go ahead and stir it to well combine. Afterwards, we allow it to fry. This is us checking back after frying for a few minutes, for 2 minutes. Yes. Now go ahead and flip the other side. Turn to the other side. Just to see that every part of it is well fried. Hello, you that is meeting my video for the first time. You're welcome. My name is Ijoma. You can call me IJ or Oma for short. Here I post video on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes. So if it sounds interesting to you, like what you're looking for, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of this amazing, beautiful family. I promise you're not going to regret it at all. Just hit that subscribe button for me so you become part of us, okay? Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to receive an alert each time I post new video. Thank you. So guys, at this point, we are checking back after frying for extra minutes. This is what it is looking like. So for me, it is okay. But if you want it to dry some more, just go ahead and continue frying until it gets to what you really want. But this is what I prefer. I don't want it to be too strong. Okay. Now it is time to introduce other ingredients. And here we have our diced onions and our chopped peppers. Use as much onions you want and peppers. Yes, hot chili. Could be the red one or green one, whichever one we have, okay? So I added 2 Scotch bonnet, the smaller sizes, yes. So guys, just make sure you add the amount you can tolerate, okay? All right, this is after 1 minute of frying. Introduce your leafy green. I'm using spinach, okay? This is handful of fresh spinach. Pour it in and give it a stir. And let me seize this opportunity to appreciate all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is super grateful for all your massive love and support. I know I don't do much, but you guys are amazing. For you coming back to watch my video, commenting, liking, and sharing, guys, I am super grateful. Please keep it up. Please keep it up, okay? Thank you. Let's continue, guys. At this point, introduce your whisked egg. Nothing is added to it because our protein is tasty already. So do not add any seasoning, any salt. Just pour it in. Now go ahead and cover it. Allow it to simmer. And at this point, again, reduce the heat, okay? Because we do not want it to burn. Now, after a few minutes, okay, go ahead and place in your tortilla wrap, okay? Just like you're watching me do. Now, use your plate, cover it, and flip it to the other side. Just watch. Now, place it back again to the pan. Okay? Now we are going to allow it again. Just sit for few seconds or even, let's just say a minute. Guys, I can tell you, it is ready. Just fold it this way and serve. Okay, it is just ready. It doesn't take much time. Under 5 minutes, you are done. Now, place it in a plate. Wow, this looks good. It looks delicious. So guys, it is time to devour it. Okay, let's divide it. Oh my. Are you gonna try it? Guys, it doesn't take much time. And another thing is just with few ingredients. Okay? So try it out. Look at that. Just look at this goodness, guys. I know you are salivating. You are. Oh my, it looks good. And it's very healthy as well. You can use it for your breakfast, your lunch, or your dinner. And you can as well accompany it with some cup of tea. Okay? Yes, guys. Enjoy. This is looking delicious. So delish. Please give it a go. Okay? Let me know how it turns out for you in the comments. And also help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. They need to test this goodness too. Thank you. So guys, it is time to test it. So you come and test it with me. This one requires 2 hands. Yes, you use your both hands. Grab it this way. Oh my. Not tested it, but it looks good. It looks like something that will taste good. So let's see. Oh my word, guys. Oh my, this is a must try. It tastes super good. Thank you for joining me, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.